How you doing, guys? It's Summer from Ascocars. So today we're going to show you a day in the garage in Ascocars.
And today, it's a Mercedes-Benz GLC coming for a service A. But obviously straight away we've already seen some issues. The wipers are not in the right place. As you can see here, this is not supposed to be like this. But the customer told us not to touch it. Why? Because the car's not under Mercedes-Benz warranty and he's going to get it done under Mercedes-Benz warranty. So now today, this one here is another V-Class. It's a car we've been looking after for a very long time. So we're going to check the DSB and see the last services that we've carried out on the car and then work out what service is due. And then plus he's also got an MOT inspection because he's a chauffeur driver, and then to see if there's anything that's going to fail the MOT. Where's the keys for this car? Who's got the keys? Oh, I got the keys. So this C-Class, I believe the customer's got an issue with the window buttons. See the window buttons are getting stuck. I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but the window buttons are getting stuck. The window's not working. Obviously, this is a warranty. It's a warranty claim, so we're gonna get this done under warranty for the customer. All right, Nick, let's go. Yeah, take the GLC or take the V-Class. There's another customer at the workshop already. The Sprinter. We're doing a service, and obviously he didn't want us to touch his wipers. I think I already said that. Have this light before we do anything. As we said, let's have this light. You can see. Have this completed. Check which brake pads we need. We need to do a full service on it and just check which brake pads we need so I can order them. Gearbox service. Can I get the gearbox service and the spark plugs for that car, please? Yeah, they're always driving until it reaches metal to metal, then they start pulling. Oh, get it done same day. How's this gonna get done same day? And they also want to do MOT as well.
So you need the brake shoes as well to do it, probably.
No, we changed the brake shoes. It's tight. Record when I'm taking off this because our ramps are too low. You can't record me sitting.
That's fine.
In the oil, you can see. Sticking out tires from the front. And you can see the tires at the front. And the minimum limit. Now, brakes look okay. Front discs look okay as well. Suspension looks fine.
Yeah, the brake fluid and the gearbox, oil service.
Oh, no, here.
It's just, this is just,
No, the filter.
no, it doesn't have filter.
Combi.
It doesn't. Oil, oil.
No sound nothing.
No, here, just drain it from here. Okay, this is the car under warranty. So what we're going to do, we found what the issue is. So what the customer needs a replacement of the window switch. So we're going to contact the warranty company and hopefully they authorize it. But I doubt they're going to do it today. So this is a job for another day.
I just do the filters. Brake fluid. With the pump. Pressure testing. Yeah, I would change the brake fluids, drain all the wheels.
This particular car, we're doing a service A. We're changing the oil and the oil filter, but also check around the whole car.
So because the car is too low, we cannot get it on the barrel. So this is how we are doing it.
So when we're doing the service on this car, we also have to look out to see if there's anything that we can advise the customer on, any faults that we find that he can get done under warranty Mercedes. So we check the air filter, and the air filter is all right. So we have to just advise the customer and say to them the air filter is fine. I'm gonna take this one and deal with the customer for this one, right? And then you're gonna put the V-Class on the ramp, yeah? And then Saz is gonna put the GLC, quickly change, do the brake fluid, right? And then after that,
No, in this one.
yeah, the GLC and the A-Class. No, this one just stay on the ramp. I think this one we're doing the service A, but I'm gonna just confirm the system and check exactly what we're doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with this one straight, and then Saz, remove this one, put the GLC on the ramp, do the brake fluid. As he does that, as soon as you finish the brake fluid, both of you come with the GLC. Does a lot of services, so we normally do like a few services every year on his car. As you can see here, look, this is how many services he gets done every year. Right? And that's the miles that he does every year. And that's why he does a few services every year. So we always know what the car needs, because as you can see here, the last service, we've done basically a full service. And the service after that was a small service.
Pads were completely worn and it was metal, so yeah, the disc is
There's no point of us changing that. We need to first rectify this. Let me press clear the faults. Now there's no faults. And then what we do is we do adaptation on the. We do adaptations, yeah. Adaptations, okay. So you see here, after doing the reset of all the other components, now when we go to reset the M55 intake shutoff actuator motor, right? And we go to do the reset just failed a minute ago, right? Now, if that shutoff motor was okay, then it should not have failed. So this is now just gave us more confidence that this part, the shutoff motor, is actually faulty. as well. Yeah, has to replace the clutch before doing anything. At the faults that we had before, it says the movement flap has a malfunction, adaptation or adjustment is incorrect. And when we try to ditch it in, it fails. So that's one indication. A test drive on the car, and then after the test drive, put the computer back on and see what faults we get after that. Because we've got more than one fault code in the system.
It has to be 10 liters.
We can't even test it because the car doesn't have enough fuel in the car. Can't even test the car properly. Look, as soon as I go drive the route down the road, it's gonna come off. So it's a small, looks like it's a small test drive. So the test drive is done, right? You're gonna put the car on the computer and see what fault comes up. Now what we need to do is charge movement flap. The fault code has come back for that. We've also got the sign for the knock sensor, but that's not gonna reduce engine speed. And the customer wants us to fix, basically look after him in terms of, we don't want to fix everything together due to money, of course. So basically have to first remove the intake shut off motor. Take it from there before doing anything. See, it's working, but see, it gets stuck every now and then.
So you need to update the software.
Yeah, he's got everything, man. There's just too many things. It's kind of became wipers. See? That's how it come out. The reason why they're not coming off smoothly is because the ones on the car are aftermarket.
Oh,
That's why.
like third party.
They're not Mercedes ones.
Ah, that's why. Maybe.
That's why they're taking long to come out.
Well, good luck with that.
Or maybe because I'm just incompetent to change them.
I don't think so. That's the problem.
Nah, I'm just incompetent. I can't change it, really.
One eternity later.
I don't even know what we're doing there.
Okay.
Anyway, service B, service B and the gearbox and the brakes. I don't even know what we're doing there. I'm gonna check the system.